Finance or money, is that a taboo subject? What 5 things I learned over the years, which is explained in Raj's video here. Becoming rich and staying poor just doesn't happen. These are habits. In a financial industry or as very successful, extreme high net worth people, if you know some of the names, Dave Ramsey, Tony Robbins, Darren Hardy, then this is another name you would know soon also. That is Raj Kapur. In his 1 hour and 15 minutes video interview, he covered from small personal finance to growth into executive level finance to entrepreneurs finance and corporation finance. This would be your most valuable financial course that you might be taking in a very short time. You can of course go to rajkapur.com and check out his free resources. His courses are $5,000 and up, but in this video here he is giving everything for free. Few things that he talked about: making money, money consciousness, treat your money as your own money regardless of what you do with it. Savings, understanding why it's important. Saving and excel in a job. He talks about those points in this part. Clarity. Communication is #1 criteria for advancement and promotion in a job. Have an entrepreneur mind regardless of what you do, where you work, or what job you are in. You need to have an entrepreneurship mind for your growth. Compounding effect. How compound effect works on your finance as well as other aspects of your life. The full video will get you the value from discussion with Dr. Halida from Johns Hopkins University, Ron Cooper, a retired US officer, Ian Roberts from Scotland, and Arti Moore, founder of a very successful training company in South Africa. On top of the tips and how Raj grew his net worth, you will learn various viewpoints and how you will grow your own portfolio. As we are bringing different speakers and topics to this platform, every week you will get to know some experts or high achievers and how they grew to their stage. This is the only platform where you come to learn and the practical world and be pragmatic about your growth. This can include learning about your job interview, job change, career growth, career path change, leadership growth, and many more. And you will get to ask questions or comment and get guidance as needed. There are a lot of high-profile coaches and mentors involved in this platform to help you grow at your full potential. Thank you for watching. Click on the links to learn more topics and the full version of Raj Kapur's personal finance teaching and about the platform. See you next week.